Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how the fall energy works in Grow Garden Fall Market Update Part 2. Okay, the update has been launched and the admin has added this fall energy event. And basically guys, you just need to complete the activity to get fall energy. And after you get the fall energy, you will get reward, and the rewards will be given every 24 hours. Okay, and now let's talk to the NPC and see the activities. Okay, and these are the fall activities we need to complete to get fall energy, and every activity will give you 10 fall energy. Okay, for example, I need to harvest 20 corns, and I'm going to harvest 2 more corns to get the reward, to get the full energy. All right, and I have 50 full energy guys, and if you want to get reward, at least you need to get 50 full energy. As you can see that I will get common reward, 1 reward, and of course the more full energy you have, the more rare reward you will get. Okay, and here I need to wait for about 9 hours to get my reward. So during the time I need to complete the activity to get more full energy. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.